Hello, I'm Kyle with Karakoram, and I'm here to tell you about what we've got coming out for 2018-2019. First thing I'm going to talk about is Ride Mode 2.0. We've got a new interface for next year. It still uses the same prime attachment system with 2 pins going into the back, 2 hooks on the front. We just refined it with a fully new sort of linkage system here with the new injection molded plates. So these plates, I'm going to open this board up. We switched to a DuPont injection molded material. This material is better at fighting against icing than other materials you could use for a splitboard interface. Plastic has a different specific heat than aluminum, so it's less likely to cause icing as the temperature changes. It's also smoother, so if water does freeze on it, it's less likely to get stuck here and more likely to just be able to brush off really easy. So to change over, it's really easy. All you have to do is make sure that your seam's clear, and then the interface is going to pretty much clear itself. We added these 2 snow ejection channels here. So as I slide these 2 together, the snow is going to get pushed out the snow ejection channels, and you're locked in, ready to go, ready to get set up. It's easier to set up out of the box too. The screws come in the interface already, so it's just 4 screws to worry about. And then you can just drop the bunion on the prime system, close the power link lever. You're actively joined to the board with the most responsive interface in snowboarding, and it's just a little bit easier to use now. So in addition to Ride Mode 2.0, we also have Ride Mode SL. This is for the backcountry purist that wants to count every gram and make his bunions and system as light as possible. So we switched our interface to a fully CNC'd 7000 series aluminum. That's a really, really high quality, strong aluminum. And by going to that new material, we were able to take out a whole bunch of weight. This interface is specific to your stance. So if you're a goofy rider, you have one type of interface, and that gets you covered for the stance that you want, but you don't have to carry the extra weight to carry a regular rider's interface, or vice versa. If you're a regular rider, you don't have to deal with the extra weight of a goofy rider's interface. By going to this high-end material, CNCing everything out, and picking out what direction you want to go on this interface, we were able to remove over 125 grams from the interface over the Ride Mode 2.0. So that's a big improvement for the splitboard purist, Ride Mode 2.0. We decided we wanted to improve tip clips. We came out this year with Tip Lock. This is just as easy to use as a traditional tip clip, but now it has a locking mechanism here that actively pulls the two skis together, and you get just a really, really responsive board. One more thing to talk about for next year is a couple features for the advanced alpinists, and we've given them a couple more options to take their splitboard gear to the next level this year with our front point crampon attachments and our Sender Ascent plates here. So I'll start with the front point attachments. You see here just our regular splitboard ski crampon. We released this last year. The ski crampon's compatible with all of our bindings that connects the alpine primes. The front point is for our alpine primes for the rider that either wants to, I don't know, I guess kill a polar bear or something, or commit crimes, or send it up a steep vertical ice waterfall, or boot pack up a steep icy volcano. If you want to walk up something that you can't get purchased in with a regular boot, having this is going to do the same job that you would normally need a boot crampon for. So instead of carrying bulky boot crampons, you can just add these lightweight front points to your backpack and be able to send it up steep icy slopes. So that's the front point crampon attachment. All right, and finally here's our Sender Ascent plates. So in the past, if you're lucky enough to have been able to ride snow where you need verts to go up it, you know that verts can be absolutely essential when you're going up steep, deep snow, and it's too steep or too deep for you to even skin up, or too deep for you to really boot pack up. You need a little bit more surface area under your foot. That's where having some kind of plate kicks in. These Ascent plates are easier to pack and lighter weight than verts, and allow you to use your splitboard bindings to go up steep, deep slopes. A great tool if you're going to go up to Alaska and ride some steep spines in the late spring. So Sender Ascent plates.